The road is calling, and 2025's motorhomes are answering in style. From high-tech luxury to off-grid freedom, motorhomes have evolved into true homes on wheels. In this video, we'll explore the top motorhome trends of 2025, featuring industry leaders Forest River, Swift Group, and Rapido, three brands redefining the way we travel and live. The first big trend for 2025 is lightweight and modular design. Motorhomes like the Swift Kontiki are pushing innovation with lighter body materials and convertible furniture systems. The goal is simple: reduce weight, increase efficiency, and make the experience more flexible for travelers. Every inch of space now serves multiple purposes. Your dining area becomes your workstation, and your bed folds away to reveal storage. The second trend, going completely off-grid. Brands like Forest River are designing adventure-ready motorhomes built for the wild. With solar panels, large battery banks, and off-road tires, these homes can survive far from campgrounds. You can wake up by the lake, brew your coffee, and never worrying about plugging in. It's freedom packaged on four wheels. Third, it's all about smart living. The French brand Rapido leads here, integrating technology that keeps you connected wherever you go. Think touchscreen panels for lighting, temperature, and security, all controlled from your phone. Some models even feature built-in Wi-Fi and AI-based power management systems, making travel more seamless than ever. Luxury used to mean heavy, expensive, and wasteful, not anymore. 2025's luxury motorhomes are going eco-conscious, combining elegant design with sustainable materials. Swift's latest interiors use recycled fabrics and energy-efficient LED lighting, while Rapido focuses on solar-supported systems and insulation that keeps power usage low. Luxury now feels good, inside and out. This final trend isn't about design, it's about mindset. The motorhome lifestyle has become a movement. Families, retirees, and digital nomads are trading traditional homes for life on the road. It's freedom, connection, and simplicity, and companies like Forest River, Swift, and Rapido are building the vehicles that make it possible. This is more than travel, it's a new way to live. From high-tech comfort to off-grid adventures, 2025's motorhomes prove that the future of travel is already here. So which one would you choose? The rugged Forest River, the elegant Swift, or the smart Rapido?